Hey, what's up, Chris? This is Devin with SEO Dallas, Texas. In this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways you can beat your competition online starting today. You're probably wondering why I'm making this video. It's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers, and typically they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And typically the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. So I found that by just making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of these business owners still end up raising their hands going, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of this for me. So at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you out with this, just give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to do this yourself, that's totally okay too. This is free education with no strings attached. What I'm going to talk to you about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Content is anything on the front page of your website that Google can crawl through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just phrases that people search into Google to find your website, such as like, I don't know, fencing in Conroe, right? Now, Google wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and that includes all the text you can read, all the text behind your images, and what every image is saved as. So I know you don't have a website here, you do have a Facebook. It's good that you have a Facebook, at least you have some sort of online presence, and it shows what type of work you do. You're definitely going to want to have a website, though, because that is a digital asset that can generate leads for you at a very, very, very low cost. If you paid like Home Advisor, Angie's List, those cost a lot of money. Your main competitors are Astro Fence and Conroe TX Fence. So Astro Fence Company, these guys actually don't even have that much content on their page, so 1,500 words is going to easily beat them. Conroe TX Fence, they have quite a bit more, probably about 750, but again, 1,500, 2,000 words is going to blow them out of the water. Now, content is king, but it's not the end-all, fix-all. The missing piece of the puzzle is called backlinks, and backlinks are important because Google's like a popularity contest, and they look at how many other websites on the internet are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And not all backlinks are created equal. You get a lot more power from other fence companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Obviously, you're not a pizza company. And so I use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. Costs about $1,000 a month depending on the plan you use, but it gives you some really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of your website. And so obviously you don't have a website, but if your main competitors for Astro Fence, these guys have 28 people linking to them, and then Conroe TX Fence only has 10 people linking to them. This is actually a really good position to be in because if you look at like some of the other main cities that I do work in, people in fencing are typically competing with like 150, 200 websites linking to them. Your main guy only has 28, so all you really have to do is go and get like 40, maybe 50 to completely dominate them. And the best way to do it is just copy your competitors and add a bunch more on top. And if you look here, these guys don't even have like anything that has to do with fencing. So just to show you a quick little tip, if you type in like fence repair Austin or like fence Austin TX, just take the top guy here and go take whatever his links are, because these are obvious. If they can rank you in Austin, they can rank you in Conroe. And so let's check it out real quick. Viking Fence. See, 283. Like this is the big games up here. But look at the links I got: Hercules Fence, automatic gates, steel fencing, chicken wire fencing, fence supplies, gate opener. These are all really good links I would go and get for you. Last thing I talk about is going to be citations. This is important because when someone types in fencing Conroe TX and they're ready to buy, they're typically going to call the first contractor that shows up that seems trustworthy. And you want to be that contractor because those are the easiest customers to close. Now, many people skip these ads because, one, a lot of people have had bad experiences with them, but there's also a large group of people who have ad blockers and they never see these ads. So the best place to rank yourself is right here in the Google My Business or local map hack section. To get here, you need more citations than your competitors. Citations are anywhere where your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are anywhere where you could list your business information, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are really common ones. So a great strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are in, list yourself in the same directories, and add a bunch more on top. I always recommend adding about 30 to 40% more. Excuse me. That way, once you've taken that number one spot, it takes them a long time to catch up to you, and you typically have to do about an hour or two of work per month just to continue to hold that number one spot and keep getting all those easy to close customers. So that's all I've got for you, Chris. I hope you found this informative. What I went over today was content. I definitely recommend getting your own website and ranking it up with 1,500 keywords. Words on the front page. Backlinks, you're going to want to get at least 40, maybe 50 websites linking to you within the fencing industry and just copy your competitors. Same thing with citations. Copy the directories your competitors are in. Add a bunch more on top. If you want to do this yourself, that's totally okay. Like I said, this is free education with no strings attached. I just ask you possibly give me a couple words of feedback as a response to this email to help me make these videos better. I don't care if it's good feedback or bad feedback. I just would love any type of feedback. If you want me to do this for you, our website is SEODallasTX.com. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. If you're on mobile, click this link and it goes right to our phones. Thank you so much for watching this. Have a great day.